Let's talk about AI. Some people find AI confusing and kinda scary. But it's not as complicated as it seems. Today, we'll break down AI in a super easy way. By the end, you'll totally get how AI works and what sets it apart from regular software. Imagine two people attending cooking classes, each learning in a different way. The first person learns by following a recipe given by an experienced chef. They follow the steps in the recipe, and if the dish doesn't turn out right, it's because the recipe might have mistakes. The chef needs to fix the recipe's instructions until the dish is cooked correctly. The second person doesn't use a recipe but gets to watch a kitchen full of chefs cooking the same dish again and again. Over time, they start noticing certain patterns and attempt to cook the dish themselves. The chef tastes their dish and provides feedback. For instance, if the food is undercooked, the student returns to observing until they create a dish that meets the chef's standards. The first student's method of learning to cook is similar to how traditional computer programs work. An algorithm in software development is essentially a set of instructions, a recipe, that a computer follows to achieve a specific task. The computer program is then tested, and if there is a bug, the developer changes the instructions until the software runs as it should. On the other hand, the second student's approach mirrors how AI operates. AI learns by observing data and finding patterns and insights within that data. The more data AI has, the better it becomes at making accurate conclusions. These conclusions are then summarized by the AI in a representation called an AI model. This model is the recipe that the AI uses to understand the data and to make predictions or decisions in similar situations. Since the second student isn't provided strict rules by a chef, they have the opportunity to draw conclusions that even the chef hadn't considered. This means they might come up with a recipe that's even better than the one the chef initially taught them. This is where AI shines. Because of the way it was trained, it can find insights and solutions that humans might not have anticipated. For example, AI has been used to analyze vast databases of chemical compounds and predict their potential as new drugs. In 2020, a team at Stanford University used AI to discover a new antibiotic compound that had never been used before. The AI algorithm identified the compound's unique properties that made it effective against drug-resistant bacteria, a discovery that could revolutionize the fight against antibiotic-resistant infections. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to continue my exploration of AI, how it affects our personal lives and jobs, and what we can do to stay ahead. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you join me again soon.